The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, effective until 9:43 p.m. The National Weather Service in State College Park has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Working in the garage, putting a shelf on.
8:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
EAS
severe
goes
thunderstorm was located over Coreyville.
Been rumbling like crazy,
at 25 miles
especially in the
per
garage. Sounds like World War III going on outside.
To be down from this storm. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source: law enforcement. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coreyville, Gap, Wakefield, Christiana, Georgetown, Kirkwood, Little Britain, and Buck. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows,